Hi everyone, Johnny I with Operation BBQ Relief. Today I'm going to show you a great recipe for a quick appetizer that you can prepare right out on your grill. It is Prosciutto Wrapped Mozzarella Cheese. And we're going to warm them on the grill on a cookie sheet. And again, it's a great item to serve your guests when they come over, or if you just want to enjoy it yourself. We're going to start with some sliced prosciutto, which is available at your supermarket. And what I'm going to do is lay these out on my cutting board, and we're going to cut these in half lengthwise. So take your knife and slice the prosciutto in half lengthwise. Next, we're going to take bocconcini, which means a small fresh mozzarella cheese. We're going to cut these in half as well, and you're going to see they're a little oblong, almost egg-shaped. You want to cut these kind of lengthwise so that you're left with something that looks a little oval like that. Next, we're going to take some fresh basil and we're going to wrap our cheese. Okay, like so. Then what we're going to do is take our prosciutto that we just sliced, and you're going to wrap it around the cheese. So this is what you're left with. It's the fresh mozzarella cheese wrapped in the basil with the prosciutto wrapped around it. And then what we're going to do is place that on our cookie sheet. And we're going to continue this process for the rest of the cheese. So now we have our mozzarella cheese wrapped with the basil and the prosciutto. Now before we put it on the grill, we're going to spray a light spray on top of the prosciutto, and then you want to spray a little bit on the bottom so that it doesn't stick. What this is going to do, it's going to help that prosciutto get a little crispy as the cheese melts. Now, the other important thing is that you separate them enough so that as the cheese starts to melt, they won't stick together. There you have it. So now we're going to put this on the grill. The grill is set at about 450 degrees, so I have it extremely hot because you want to cook this hot and fast. Okay, it's definitely not something you want to do slow. So we're going to place it on and we're going to cook it just until the cheese starts to melt and we start to get a little bit of color on our prosciutto. Keep the lid closed. This way it'll maintain the heat inside your grill. So now we want to keep an eye on our cheese just to see how it's coming along. Okay, it's starting to sizzle around the prosciutto. The aroma of that prosciutto and the creamy cheese and the fresh basil is heavenly. Okay, let's see how our cheese is doing. As you can see, our cheese is just starting to melt on the sides. It's getting nice and soft. Our prosciutto has some nice color on top. We're ready to plate up. So first thing we're going to do is start with a little bit of fresh tomato sauce. And what I like to do is just put a little line straight down the center of the plate. Not too much, but this will just give it, again, another layer of flavor. Then we're going to take our prosciutto and line them right next to each other on the plate. Then you can stick them with some toothpicks. This way it'll be easy for your guests to eat them. And there you have it. Fresh mozzarella cheese wrapped in prosciutto, done right on your grill. I hope you enjoy this recipe.